Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're focusing on the 10L0L carburetor for the Yamaha G2, G5, G8, G9, and G11 golf carts from 1985 to 1995. This is undoubtedly one of the best Yamaha G9 golf cart parts you can find, and if you're looking for top-notch performance and reliability, you've come to the right place. Now, let's talk about why this carburetor is the perfect choice for your Yamaha golf cart. Whether you're replacing an old part or upgrading your current setup, this carburetor will give your cart the efficiency and power it deserves. The 10L0L carburetor is a 4-cycle, gas-powered unit that's engineered to deliver smooth performance with every ride. If you've been facing issues with your current carburetor, you'll notice a significant improvement in fuel efficiency and throttle response. It's always important to double-check the part numbers to ensure the right fit for your specific model. When you purchase this carburetor, you get the full kit, which includes everything you need to get started. 1 carburetor, a spacer joint, 2 gaskets, 2 fuel filters, and a fuel line. This complete package ensures that you have all the necessary components to install it seamlessly into your golf cart. Installation is straightforward, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to save on labor costs while getting their cart back in top shape. The build quality of the 10L0L carburetor is another highlight. It's made with high-quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Golf carts can be exposed to harsh conditions, so having a carburetor that can withstand wear and tear is crucial. This product is built to last and will serve you well for years to come. Now, I know many of you are wondering about the performance of this carburetor. Well, rest assured, it's designed to keep your Yamaha golf cart running at peak performance. Whether you're cruising around the neighborhood or taking it on a more challenging terrain, you'll notice smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Plus, you won't have to worry about frequent maintenance or costly repairs, as this carburetor is built for reliability. If you're in the market for a new carburetor for your Yamaha golf cart, this one from 10L0L is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, easy to install, and delivers exceptional performance. So, whether you're a seasoned golf cart enthusiast or just looking to maintain your cart in the best condition, this carburetor is the way to go. That's it for today's review of the 10L0L carburetor for Yamaha G2, G5, G8, G9, and G11 golf carts. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have part for your Yamaha golf cart. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.